Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a purple and pink look inspired by Kirby, but it probably will look nothing like Kirby anyway, but I'm just going to do a pink and purple look. I have little buns in, so let's just get started. I'm just going to zoom you in and voice over the makeup because I find it hard to like do it and talk at the same time, so yeah. And my camera battery is flashing, so I'm going to change that first and then yeah, I'm going to do my makeup. Hopefully it comes out nice today. We'll see.
So onto the makeup section. Today's video is only 5 minutes long and anyone can do this. All the palettes will be listed in the description. So starting with your eyeshadow primer, pack on the darker purple into the outer corner. You want to do this with your eyes open so you can see the look above your crease. Fill in the little gap it leaves behind. This is a great trick for anyone with hooded eyes or deep set eyes. Make sure to blend with a clean, fluffy brush. I take another one after this so that it gives a really nice blend and it doesn't transfer any colours. With another smaller clean brush, pack lilac onto the inner corner. Make sure to blend the two colours together with the blending brush. Pack your outer corner again and then bring the colour down to the lash line. In the inner corner, put a soft pink colour. Make sure to blend that out too so it leaves no harsh lines. Cutting the crease can be really hard, but it just takes a lot of practice. You want to try and cut above your crease again so you can see it when your eyes are resting normally. I'm still no good at this, so just keep on trying and you'll get there eventually. I cut my crease halfway because it's my favourite style, but you can also do a halo eye. This Huda shade is one of my favourites. It has a really pretty blue reflection and is so shimmery. So you want to blend this shimmer shade again into the outer corner. I'm using the same lilac shade from my inner corner and blending them together. Next up is eyeliner, my favourite part of makeup. I've drawn my eyeliner so many times now that I kind of just put it on without really realising what I'm doing, but the best advice I can give you is to draw a triangle on your outer corner and connect that with the line that you've already drawn in the inner corner. There are loads of tutorials you can find on YouTube and TikTok for great eyeliner looks. And now it's time for the line. So you can see they kind of look a bit crusty because this product I'm using is quite old, but if you have a new one then you won't have this problem. So put some gems onto the end of this line to hide any harsh lines that you may have left behind. I think gems like this are an easy way to make any look kawaii. So I'm using my soft palette for the really pretty lilac highlighter, and I'm just putting this onto the high ends of my cheeks. And I put this on my nose as well. I usually use this kind of dense pencil brush to get like the best kind of glow. And make sure to get your inner corners as well. I'm using a glitter liner next to go underneath my wing, just to give it a little more pop. And then I'm tightlining my waterline with a pastel lilac. My lashes are from AliExpress, and when you cut them up into little chunks, it kind of makes it easier to apply them if you're not ready to go all full out. I didn't put this in, but cover your bottom lashes with mascara, put some concealer on, and then start on your lips. I'm using an Etude House lip stain. These are super easy to wear and are my favourite products to use. I decided to add some clips to my hair, just to add some more cuteness. And another tip is to put blush on your nose. This creates another really cute kawaii kind of style and is super easy to do with a soft pink. So that's the look done. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. I believe anyone can do this look and look cute. Please leave a comment down below if you try it out and tag me in your photos on Instagram. I'd really love to see them. But yeah, subscribe if you'd like to see more of this, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a great weekend, guys. Bye! Love you!